Hello, my name is Chris, and in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Zapier with Appointlet so that Appointlet events trigger actions in other applications. This may include sending text notifications, creating or updating contacts in a CRM, populating a spreadsheet, or anything in between. Appointlet is an easy-to-use scheduling tool that helps companies book meetings online. With organizations relying on multiple software services for their day-to-day operations, it's more important than ever to ensure that everything is in sync. That's where our Zapier integration system comes in. In the account settings, navigate to the Zapier tab. We've listed our most popular integrations for easy access, but you can use the search bar on the right to search through our list of over 5,000 integrations. Once you've found your desired integration, click Use this Zap to access the Zap editor on the Zapier website. Keep in mind you'll need a Zapier account to do this. In Zapier, select Appointlet as the trigger app, and then configure the action steps you'd like to trigger in the integrated application below. Be sure to test your Zap to ensure everything is running smoothly. When you're ready, turn on your Zap to start automating your workflow.